to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. So today we're making turkey sausage balls. Well, usually it's the sausage balls from Bisquick, but we're doing it with turkey instead. Alright, so depends on the recipe that you look at and everything. Some call for like 5 ingredients, some are 3 ingredients. We're doing the 3 ingredients. So it's a cup of Bisquick. Alright. So move some things around. I made cinnamon rolls last night. So we got cinnamon rolls for breakfast. Let me put them over here. Alright. There we go. We need a cup of Bisquick. Alright, come on. Whoops. Alright, there we go. Alrighty. So we preheated our oven at 375 degrees. Alright. And it said 8 ounces of cheese. You can use cheddar. I am using mozzarella. So, that. And then we have our turkey sausage. Alright, so we're just going to put everything in there. Alright. And the next part normally we do with our hands. I'm going to start off with a spoon. And we just mix everything together. Oh, it smells so good already. Now you can season it. They usually put like Italian seasoning in it. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. We're going to add some onion powder. I'm not adding any salt because the sausage already has salt in it. And this time I'm changing it up. We have Italian seasoning. I'm putting some turmeric in it instead. Alright, so we're going to get this all together. And then we're going to make the balls, so my hands are clean. Let's try and get this all mixed together. Alright, there we go. I remember having this growing up at my aunt's house every year. We loved it. Alright, then you just boil them into a 1-inch ball, or if you have, say, a tablespoon. But to me, just roll them in the balls, put them on your cookie sheet. I put a lined piece of paper on my cookie sheet. Just try to keep them all the same size. And you bake for 12 to 15 minutes. And then you have your turkey sausage balls all ready for Christmas Day. You can stick these in the freezer. I'm going to take them out. I'll make them, you know, like the night before. And everything. So I'm going to finish this up. And when I get ready to go in the oven, I'll bring you back. Okay, so I took a spoon to finish this with. Because it's like, yeah, you can do it with your hands. But a spoon is alright. So I'm going to show y'all what the tray looks like. The cookie sheet. My oven is preheated. They're going in for 12 to 15 minutes. And then we'll have our turkey sausage ball appetizers. See y'all back in 12 minutes. Alright, it's been 12 minutes, so let's see what they look like. They smell amazing. Woohoo! Just a few more minutes. So we'll do we'll do 4 more minutes. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. Yes. So about 15 minutes, especially for turkey sausage. And there we go. They look delicious. And yes, they look kind of different than regular sausage. But there we go. Oh, it smells so good. Definitely be ready for Christmas time and everything. And all. They're really hot. So maybe I can taste test one. We're ready. Let me get a little one. Oh, it's so good. See, it's still nice and steamy and everything. It tastes great. I am getting stuff ready for Christmas. So thank y'all for being here. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. Anyway, see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.